In a meadow so bright there lived a small hare, with big floppy ears and fur soft as air. He loved to hop high and race through the trees, but his biggest dream was to learn how to sneeze.
I want to sneeze loud. A big achoo!
He tried every day, but it never came through. He sniffed flowers, ate pepper, and danced in the rain. But still not a sneeze came. He couldn't explain. One day he met a wise old owl, who looked at the hare with a curious scowl.
You don't need to sneeze to be great or to play. Sometimes it's the little things that brighten your day.
The hare smiled wide, his heart full of cheer, and with a big laugh his worries disappeared. He didn't need to sneeze to feel truly free, for happiness was already inside him, you see.